Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAUUSD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 9th to 13th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see on Friday, 1.77% positive move. 5171.25 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small upper wick and a big lower wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around overbought area, which is indicating as a negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is my one-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. If you want to learn trading with me, then I take one-on-one session. If you are interested, do comment down or directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can even directly buy from the link given in the description, where I'll be conducting a one-on-one session on trading. So if you want to understand more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. So now let's talk about my opinion in this gold USD pair. So currently, if I talk about the closing, 5171 is the closing, and the direct support is 5150. Direct resistance is 5200. After direct support, there is a support of 5100 and then 5050. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 5251 and then 5300. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So you can mark these levels on your chart as well. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I have also given a discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those prop firm. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking it out as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a slight positive momentum in this range, that is 5200 to 5251. I'm expecting a positive closing for the next week. But if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 5150 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till 5100. Even if this gets breached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can wait for this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you want to learn trading, then do contact me on my WhatsApp number. Also, if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.